last part, they call it extra credit, but it's not extra credit for you guys, is we're going to, what are they calling it? Use smart guides to maintain alignment and equal spacing. Okay. So we go under View, Show. We want to make sure smart guides are selected. And we're going to select the yellow flower on the lower left corner. I'm going to use the Option key and make a copy of that first flower. Then I'm going to select that flower and change the opacity to 50%, and that's under my layers. That's where I'm going to change it. So I can use a slider bar, or I can type in the word 50. Then I'm going to use the Option key again. And my guides are totally not there. Where are my guides? What? Why are they not here? View, Show. Oh, I turned them off. Duh. Okay, let's try it again. Delete that one, delete that one. Let's start again. Option. Make sure my flower is selected. See, there's my smart guides. There they are. They tell me the distance and alignment and all kinds of stuff. And this flower is going to be 50%. And then I'm going to choose the Option key again, and I'm going to have them about 1 inch apart. And you could see they're exactly 1 inch apart, because when I smart guides tell me so. And then I'm going to pull it again, and now they're 1 inch apart and 1 inch apart. I can see that they're in alignment horizontally in the same path. It just tells me because it's a smart guide. All right, go ahead and add a flower. I'm going to see if I can add a fifth. Now, yep, add 5 flowers about 1 inch apart. All right,